Hello guys. Okay.
We're here to bring you a very new... No, okay, start over. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're very excited to be here. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Taylor.
This is Javier.
And this is Ornelas.
Taylor, and this is Ornelas.
Okay.
Cool.
Good? Did you think wrong thing?
Hopefully, yeah.
Hopefully?
Yeah.
Otherwise this video is just not going to work out because you have to start with it unboxed.
Okay. Boom.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're very excited to be here today. I'm Taylor and this is Javier, my husband, and this is Ornelas. We are so excited to be unboxing our brand new MacBook Pro.
That was really good.
Thanks.
That was really good.
Okay, cool. Let's, yeah. I felt good about that one.
Yeah. No.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We're very excited to be here today. I'm Taylor and this is Javier, my husband, and this is Ornelas. We are so excited to be unboxing our brand new MacBook Pro. We have had a MacBook Pro since I graduated high school in 2012, and it's just dying.
It was an older one, and it was kind of dying on us, and it was being very, very, very slow, and it was...
We couldn't even watch our honeymoon videos, and that was like 8 months ago.
Yeah. So
because it won't load.
Slow,
So.
and it was, you know, kind of being a pain. Like we weren't unable to like do builds and do editing. Editing was a pain, so we decided to just kind of switch it out a little bit and decided to go out and get a new one.
Yeah. Not only was editing a pain, it was non-existent. The footage wouldn't even load.
That's true.
So
we're hoping that with this new MacBook Pro, we're going to be able to bring new light into our YouTube channel.
Which means a lot more videos for you guys. I mean, it gave me good 7 years, got me through grad school and everything, but it's time to upgrade now. So I'm very excited to have you guys come along with us while we unbox this baby. I am so excited to unbox this, guys. That is just like the best sound in the world. Does anybody else like get super satisfied by just like ripping off plastic off of new like electronics, or like peeling back the like screen protector on your phone? You know what I'm talking about, like the little plastic one that they have on there so that the tech doesn't get all of his fingerprints on it. Guys, space gray is so amazing. I'm so glad we got this one. It's, oh my god. This laptop feels a little bit heavier than my old one, to be honest, but I had a 13-inch, so maybe that's why. Definitely thinner and way, like, oh my god, it's already turning on. Is there no power button or anything? Okay, well while that does that, let's find out what else comes in the box. And I'm definitely getting rid of the scary knife. Okay, so I'm assuming that's our power cable. Yep, power cable. And our little manual, nah, don't like that. Oh, nah, don't like that. Okay, on second thought, I'm gonna keep this, you know, because it's got the stickers and probably the warranty, and you know, just don't tell anybody I kept it, okay? And
use English as the main language, press the return key.
yes, English, please. Unlock your Mac and make purchases with Apple Pay. Start by placing your finger or thumb on Touch ID. Continue. That's so cool that has Touch ID. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but that was super fun. I am so excited to use this new MacBook Pro. So with that being said, I'm going to leave you all there. Don't forget to click the subscribe button down below and that little bell notification. It lets you know whenever I posted a new video, which happens to be In the Moment Mondays and Flashback Fridays. Thanks guys, see you then. Bye. 1 step ahead.